Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today, we're taking a look at PayPal Holdings, ticker symbol PYPL. This is a large cap company with a market cap just over 84 billion, as you see down here on your screen. This is a pretty well-known company. They provide the payment processing online and for many countries around the world. And it's not just PayPal. In case you're unaware, they have quite a few different apps that all can be used for the same thing. There is a list here: PayPal, PayPal Credit, Braintree, Venmo. It's one of the most popular ones today. Xoom, that's Xoom, not Zoom. There's PayPal Zettle, Hyperwallet, PayPal Honey, and Paydi. And here we are with PayPal's annual chart. Before we take a look at it, I will draw your attention up here to the share price. It lists it at $73.20, and it is down about 3% at the end of trading yesterday. And that's because of all the macroeconomic factors going on. However, after close yesterday, PayPal reported earnings, and it was an earnings beat. They beat by 1 penny. And I didn't have a chance to read the entire earnings report there, but the amount that I saw indicated that the other metrics were fair. Certainly nothing that would cause a massive price drop. However, the price dropped massively. And last I checked, they were down a total of 10% yesterday. That's 7% more on top of the 3% that they were down at closing. So when we look at the charts here today, keep in mind that when it opens, everything is going to gap down significantly. So if you take a look at the annual chart here, you'll see that it is right in the middle of the moving averages. However, you'll see where it was, again, last I looked, who knows if it changes overnight, but it would basically put it right here at the bottom of the 100-day moving, at the 50-day moving average. It looks like it found support at the 50-day or thereabouts. It certainly could go lower though. And we have the RSI, which is falling, and again, it will be a further drop on that. Both stochastics are falling, and they will certainly fall. And you have the fast stochastic here will certainly fall into the oversold zone today. And it wouldn't surprise me at all if the slower stochastic does so soon. Looking at the volume chart, you'll see it posted a couple red candles over the last couple of days, but we're going to see a big red candle today. Finally, on the MACD, the significant drop will certainly confirm this bearish cross. I'm not sure if you can see it here. It's kind of small, but it looks like a bearish cross just took place yesterday, and that will absolutely be confirmed today. Then we can switch over to E-Trade. Here I have the fundamental sheet for PayPal. It has low short interest. The debt to equity ratio says it has less debt than 79% of other companies in the internet services industry. And I'm a little leery of comparing it to other internet services companies because PayPal is a little different. It doesn't exactly fit what you might think of as an internet services company, but I suppose that is a pretty broad spectrum of businesses. But in any case, PE ratio, again, this is as of close yesterday. PE ratio is just under 32, is greater than 87% of other companies in the industry. However, this is going to come down because the earnings were higher than expected and the price is now lower than it was yesterday. So this will certainly change today and certainly throughout the day, I suspect, for a couple of days too. The gross margin on the company is less than 62% of other companies in the industry, and I'm not surprised by that when you compare to things like Apple and Microsoft. However, a 41.73% gross margin is excellent in the market overall. And the operating margin is average for an internet services company at 14.69%. The return on equity is 13.37%, and that beats out 76% of other companies in the industry. And the growth rate is average for the industry. And as you see down here, PayPal does not pay a dividend. So I think PayPal, given the significant price drop, could present a good buying opportunity if you are willing to ride out this rapid dip. And you look at the last two earnings reports too. This is a beat and the price fell. This is a beat and the price fell. And then yet in both cases, the price did rise not too long thereafter. This one isn't a big rise. This one, it did rise back to the previous price that it held prior to earnings, although it did take the entire 3-month time. So if you are willing to hold it for 3 months, I think you could have a fair buying opportunity here. But please let me know what you think of PayPal in the comments below. And if you got something out of the video, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.